Hello kids, let's look at the new questions of number chapters. So the first question is choose the largest number, right? So these are the options and you need to choose what is the largest number in these options. So the first one is 206 or 306, right? So before starting, first I will just write it down 100 stable, okay? Just for simplicity, I'll just write it down 100. Then I'll write 200. I'm writing 100 countings. Then I will write 300. I will write 400, 500, 600, 700. Then it is 800 and 900. So these are all hundreds. These are all 100 places, if you remember, right? So when we start from 100 to 200 to 300, 400, this order we call it as ascending order. It's upward directions, right? And when we come down from 900 to 800 to 700, 600, this we call it as descending order. So in this now 200 or 600, which one is larger? Of course 306, because this is 300 series and this is 200 series, so 306. Now 491 or 914, this is 900, 400, so 914. This is 227, 272. Now here both are 200 series, 200, 200. But the difference is here. Here it's 27 and 72. So for understanding, we can write all tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. So again, when we go from 10 to 20, 30, we call it as ascending order. When we come back from 90, 80, 70, 60, we call it as a descending order, right? So here 27, of course 27 will come somewhere here after 20 and before 30. 72 will come somewhere here after 70 before 80. So this one is largest. Similarly here 375, 300 and again 753, 700. So 753 is the largest number. Now in these questions, what is the missing number in the space, right? You need to figure out the missing number here the missing number. So let's look at the question. 408, right? 409 and 411, right? 8, 9, 8, 9, 11. So look at here, it's 408, after 8 409. So just see here, it is like 8, 9, 10 and 11, because what is not changing? 4 is not changing, right? 4, 4, 4. So it's a 400, right? 400. In 10 places, 0 is 10 places, 0 here 10 places, 1 here 10 places, right? So 11. Here 1's places 8, 1's places 9. So if I write here, if I just write 410, done. 408, 409, 410, 411. This series is complete. Now this one, 201, 211, 221, right? So see here, the 100 places are fixed, 2, 2, 2, right? Tens places, what is changing? 0, 1, 2. So what is changing here? Tens place, 0, 1, 2. Ones place, 1, 1, 1. So ones place is not changing. What is changing? Tens place, 0, 1, 2. So just write 2, 3, 1, because 0, then 1, then 2, then just write 3, because 100 place is not changing, ones place is not changing. 100 place was always 222, ones place 111. So what is changing? Tens place increasing by 1. So just write 231. Done. Okay, see, 887, 888, 889. See here, same here, 100 place 8. Here also at 100 places 8, 100 places 8, right? Now tens places 8, right? So what is tens places? 8. So here also tens places 8, tens places 8, right? Now what is changing here? Here it is 7, right? Here it is 8, and here it is 9. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. So let's say if I'll just write 7, 8, 9. So it's like, what is changing? Ones place, 7, 8, 9. So after 9, what it becomes? 10, right? 10. So here I can just write 8, 90, right? Because when I will make here the 10, right, it's changing 7, 8, 9. So if I'll make 10, in addition, when you write 10, one will get carry forwarded, one will get added here. So it is like this, 8, 8, 9. If you just do 10, right? So uh, sorry, if you just add a 10, so here what will happen? No, sorry, it's my mistake. It was 7, 8, 9. So it was increasing by 1, right? So after 89, 89, we have to just increase by 1, not by 10. It's my bad. We need to increase by 10. Let me just erase it and let me show you. Sorry, just write it here. Go back to the pen. See, it is increasing by 1, right? Let me write again. 8, 8, 9, 1. Increase by 1. So 9 and 1, 10. 1 carry forwarded. 8 plus 1, 9. 890. So answer is 890, right? Now here 390, 380, 360. See here, tens places 3, tens places, sorry, 100 places 3, 100 places 3, and 100 places 3. 100 places not changing. Now once what is changing? Tens place 9, tens place 8, decreasing by 1, right? Decreasing by 1. Now ones places 0, 0, 0 not changing. So here I can write 3, decreasing by 1, 7, and 0. So 370. Now here 5 not 1, 4 not 1, 2 not 1. So here 100 places 5, 100 places 4. So 100 places decreasing, 100 places 2. So I can just write 100 places 3 here, decreasing. Now tens place 0, 0, 0 not changing. I can write the same 0. Ones place 1, 1, 1 not changing. I can just write 301. This is the 301 is the answer. Sorry, 301 is the answer. Now 903, 902, 901. What is the next number? 100 plus 9, 100 places 9, 100 places 9. So 100 places is not changing. 9. Just write it down 9. Now tens places 0, 0, 0 not changing. Just write it down 0. Ones places 3, ones places 2, decreasing by 1. Now again from 2 to 1, decrease by 1. So you just write decrease by 1 more 1. So from 1 minus 1 it becomes 0, 900. So answer is 900. Let's look at these questions. Write the following number from smallest to largest. Okay, from smallest to largest. So here one good thing is all are 200 series: 220, 210, 236, 206, right? Very simple if you know the counting till 100. So here one thing is, what is changing here? So 100 places is not changing. If you see here, it's always fixed 200. It's not changing at all, right? What is changing? Tens places is changing. 2, 1, 3, 0. That is changing. So you need to write a smallest to largest. So as to write down the smallest to largest, here at tens places 2, 1, 3, 6. At tens places, which one is a small? 0 is a small. At ones places, what is the number at ones places? 6, 6, 0, 0, right? So definitely 2 not 6, 206. So here at tens places 0. So when tens places number is small, which means this number is always going to be small, even though at ones places number is big, right? So what I am trying to explain here is, let's say you have 76 and you have 59. Which one is big? This one is big. Why it is big? Because at tens places you have 7. So what you do, 7 into 10 is equal to 70 plus 6 is equal to 76. You multiply by 10. Now here at tens places what you have, 5 into 10. So it's only 50 plus 9, right? 59. So whatever number, if the at tens places, if at 100 places all number are same, then we have to go to the tens places. In tens places, if number is a small, which means it is the rest of the number is going to be small. But if at the tens places number is big, even though ones places number is small, it is going to be a big. So here a smallest to largest. So first is going to be 206 comma, then what is tens places? 1. Then you'll write 210, then you write 220, all tens places, and then you write 236, smallest to largest. Now here it's different. It's 300 series, 200 series, 600 series, 589. This is very simple. This is very simple, kids. You don't need to do any thinking here. Just write 200 series first, 245, because no matter what number it has at tens places as ones places, if it is a 200 series, it is always less than 300 series. Then you write 326, then you write 589, and then you write 691. So if numbers are, if the 100 places numbers are different, it is very easy to write. Just focus on 100 places number. If 100 places number are same, then focus on tens places number. If tens places number are same, then focus on ones places number. Okay, that will tell you smallest to largest. Now here 529, 295, 952, 252. Here problem is you have 200, 59, 95. Now in this, which one is the smallest? So if you know the counting, 59 comes first, because see here in this both the number 100 places common, 200, here also 200, 100 places common. Then what we should check? Tens places. Tens places here 9, here 5. So whatever tens places is a small, it is a small number. So you write 259. Now you write 295. Then you write 529. 529 you do not have to do anything in the 529 and 952, because this is 500 series, this is 900 series. And then just write 952. Now look at this questions, kids. 786, 637, 678 and 800. So here also same problem. 600, two numbers are 600 series. So here at 100 places no problem, both has 600, so ignore it. Now tens places, here 8, here 7. So if the tens places number is small, which means the entire number is small, because at 100 places it is same. So this is going to be the smaller one. 7, 678, now 687, now 786, because the 700 series, and then 876. So we are done with smallest to largest. Now count backward by 10. Very interesting questions. Count backward by 10. So 100, 90, 80. Just decrease by 1. So just write here 70, then you write 60, then you write 50. Done. Then 500, 490, 480. What is changing? 10, 10, 10. 500, 490, 480. Then you just write 470, you write 460, you write 450. Here 50, 40, 30. You write 20, you write 10. Interesting. 0. Right? Because it's minus 40, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. It is like descending order. 370, 360, 350. Right? What will come next? 340, 330, 320. Okay. Now again 37, 27, 417. Why? Because at 100 places almost fix. Not almost fix, it is fix. At 100 places 4, 4, 4. What is changing? 37, 27, 17. Right? It's going down by 10. Right? So I can write 407 here because it's going down by 10. Right? Now here interesting. After 407, what you will write? So you can just do simple math. 407, do minus 7. Here 0, 1. You cannot subtract 1 from 0. So you take tens from 100 places. This becomes 10. 10 minus 1, 9. And this 2, 1 minus. So this becomes 3. 397. 397. After 397, do one more 10. 7, 8, 3. 387. 387. Done. Now look at these questions. Write the missing number to complete the sequence. How do you write the missing number? Right? It's a 82, 92. 82 and 92. And then 112. So first of all, 82, 92, which means it is ascending order. Right? It is ascending order. But ascending by how many numbers? So just write here 92 and write 82. Do a minus. When you do a minus, you will come to know it is increasing by how many numbers? 2 minus 2, 0. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. It is increased by 10. Right? It is increased by 10. So from 82 to 92 increased by. So from here to here increased by 10. Right? So again from 92. So what is going to be, what is this number? If you'll just add 92 into 10 to 9 and 1, 10, 1 not 2. So if this number is 1 not 2, which means here also it is increased by 10. And if it is a 1 not 2, here also increased by 10. We can test 1, 1, 2, right? And just do 1 not 2 minus 2 minus 2, 0, 1, 0. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to cancel. So 10. So it is increased by 10. So here it is going to be 1 not 2. Now starting we don't have number, then we have 66, 76, 96. See from 66 to 76 how many numbers? Same we have to do minus here. 76, write the next number 66, do minus 6 minus 6, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. It is increased by 10. Right? From here to here increased by 10. So here also if it is decreased by 10, which is this number. So from here to here if it is increased by 10, which means from 76 to 66 decreased by 10. Right? This side increasing symbol, this side decreasing. So here I can do simple math. 66 minus 10. 6 minus 0, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. 56. So here it's going to be 56. so that from 66 to 56 decreasing, from 56 to 66 increasing. Now here also 76, I can just write 86. How I can write? 96 minus 10. I can just write 96 minus 10. So here 606, 9 minus 1, 8 is equal to 86. Done. Now see, 403, 413, right? Now let me erase it to get some space. Just 1 second, kids. I have some problem. My eraser. Yeah, let me just erase it so that I can get some space. Just a minute, kids. Yeah. Now 401, 413. After that, what is the answer? Very simple. Again, you write 413. You write 403. Do minus. Okay. 3 minus 3, 0. Then what you do? You do 1 minus 0, 1. 4 minus 4 cancel. So it is 10. Right? So from 403 to 413 increased by 10. So this number also increased by 10. 413, just do plus 10. 3, 1 plus 1, 2, 423. So just write here 423. Again increased by 10. So you just write here 433. And then increased by 10, 443. You can test also. You can just write 443. You can write 433. Just do minus 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 3 1. 4 minus 4 cancel. So see here, decreased by 10. So from here, if you'll go this directions, it will decrease. If you'll come this directions, it will increase. Okay. Now D, 295 dash 27 dash, then 275, 265. Simple. Here also, here 295 dash 275, 265. So let's first check here what is happening, right? Whether it is increasing or decreasing. So 275 and 265, which one is big? 275 is a big. So you just write 275. You just write 265. Do minus 0 1 cancel. So it is decreased by 10. From 275 to 265 decreased by 10, right? So here also you can do also decrease by 10. You can just write, so 255 decrease by 10, because from 265, if you will do minus 10, 5 minus 0 is equal to 5, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5, and then 255, right? So here also decreased by 10. So 295 minus 10, 295 minus 10 is nothing but 285. Okay. Now this one 350, 350, 330, 310. If you'll put here, see 50, 30, 10. This is little complex. You need to think, right? 50, 30, 20. So gap here is, if you see, right? Gap 353. So if you need to do calculations, you see here, it is like 350. Okay. Now 330 minus 0, 5 minus 3, 2 cancel. So 20 gap, right? Between this 350 to 330, 20 gap. Again 330, 31, 0, 3 minus 1, 2 cancel. Again 20 gap. So here 20 gap, 20 gap, which means it's, if I'll put a number here 340, it is 10 gap here, 10 gap here, and here I will write 320. So 10 gap here, 10 gap here. Done. Why I did 20 gap? I just wanted to show you, kids, if it is a 20 gaps, if you choose a number which will just do plus 10, sorry, if you just choose a number which will just decrease by 10. So from 350 to 340, it's 10 gap, and then 340 to 330, 10 gap. So it will distribute 10 gaps. Now look at here, 97 dash dash 67 57. So here 67 to 57 decreasing by 10, right? Decreasing by 10. So here also first decrease by 10 87, then decrease by 10 77, then decrease by 10 67 and 57. With this I will close the video, kids, right? And in next video we will see some more concept.